This will happen if you eat oatmeal every day. Oatmeal, a humble breakfast staple made from ground oats, has gained widespread popularity for its numerous health benefits and versatility. Whether enjoyed plain, sweetened with honey and fruit, or mixed with nuts and seeds, oatmeal is celebrated for its ability to provide sustained energy and support overall well-being. But what exactly can you expect if you eat oatmeal every day? Let's delve into the truth behind this wholesome grain. Number 1. Improved heart health. Oatmeal is rich in soluble fiber, particularly beta-glucan, which has been extensively studied for its heart-healthy properties. Regular consumption of oatmeal has been shown to help lower levels of LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, and may reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. Number 2. Stabilized blood sugar levels. The complex carbohydrates found in oatmeal are digested slowly, leading to a gradual release of glucose into the bloodstream. This helps prevent spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels, making oatmeal an excellent choice for individuals with diabetes or those looking to manage their weight. Number 3. Increased satiety and weight management. Oatmeal is a satisfying and filling breakfast option thanks to its high fiber content. Eating oatmeal in the morning can help curb hunger and cravings throughout the day, leading to better portion control and potentially aiding in weight loss or weight maintenance efforts. Number 4. Better digestive health. Fiber-rich foods like oatmeal promote healthy digestion by adding bulk to the stool and supporting regular bowel movements. Consuming oatmeal regularly can help prevent constipation and promote a healthy gut microbiome, which is essential for overall digestive health. Number 5. Enhanced nutrient intake. Oatmeal is a nutrient-dense food that provides a variety of essential vitamins and minerals, including manganese, phosphorus, magnesium, and B vitamins. By incorporating oatmeal into your daily diet, you can boost your nutrient intake and support optimal health and vitality. Number 6. Improved skin health. The vitamins and minerals found in oatmeal, along with its anti-inflammatory properties, can benefit skin health. Oatmeal has been used for centuries in skincare products to soothe dry, itchy skin and alleviate symptoms of conditions like eczema and dermatitis. Number 7. Sustained energy and focus. Oatmeal is a great source of complex carbohydrates, which provide a steady and sustained release of energy. Starting your day with a bowl of oatmeal can help keep you energized and focused throughout the morning without the energy crashes associated with sugary breakfast options. While oatmeal offers numerous health benefits, it's important to enjoy it as part of a balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrient-rich foods. Additionally, be mindful of portion sizes and avoid loading up on excessive amounts of sweeteners or toppings that can negate some of oatmeal's health advantages. Eating oatmeal every day can lead to a multitude of positive outcomes, including improved heart health, stabilized blood sugar levels, better digestion, and enhanced overall well-being. By making oatmeal a regular part of your diet, you can enjoy its delicious flavor and reap the many health benefits it has to offer.